Hey guys, Chevy here again. Got my wife's Yukon in the garage or in the shop tonight. Going to do a water pump and a serpentine belt tensioner on it. Got a little chirp and you can see where the bottom of the water pump's been weeping and it's been dripping on the belt. So anyways, figured I'd bring you along. Got Nathan shop with us tonight. He's gonna help out and anyways, yeah, so that's what we're doing. I didn't mean for it to sound like Nathan.
Nathan in shop?
Yeah.
I didn't even think of that. Matter to me, bro. I won't shut down your channel because you
I'm gonna get you a copyright strike.
plagiarize me.
Oh boy. Pull some radiator hoses and pull some stuff. I got a new drain pan in the back.
That happened like 4 times in the last month.
Man.
People are like, I'll get the money on Friday, I promise.
Yeah.
Fuck. By the time the next Tuesday rolls around, I'm having to call them and ask them what they still want it. Don't fucking burn me like that. I'll remember your name. I don't even care if you change your picture. I remember your name.
Now I've heard that these fans are reverse threads. I can't remember if it was reverse threads or.
You can tell by which way it normally goes.
Okay.
So does your alternator spin this way, clockwise? Right? This way. That way. So then the fan is spinning this way to pull air. So you have to go against it. So you're pulling this way.
Okay.
Because it wouldn't go the direction of the fan.
Yep.
So you
That
go,
makes sense.
You see which way
It's gonna go the opposite.
which way the blades go, and then go.
Yeah.
So you gotta go clockwise. Tight is loose.
Okay.
Or right is loose. So yeah, it's reverse threads.
Dang.
Could you feel it?
Spinning.
Oh my god.
That's awesome.
If you really want to get taken care of and you want to buy something from the States, get a hold of that guy Nate. See what he's got going on.
Yeah.
I've helped him find RX2s, RX3s, RX4s, wagons, coupes, sedans,
Nice.
FDs, Cosmos,
I want an SD bag.
Repoos. I've helped import and export probably 20 different vehicles.
I had a reboot.
Someone says to me, "Hey Nate, I really want to get an RX3 for a set. I got one. Guy wants 13,000." And the guy said, "Oh, good." He even told me, because I wouldn't tell him, but he says he had 22,000 set aside.
Yeah.
I said, "Oh my god." And he wanted a shell, a project, something that was just complete and not rusty.
Yeah.
And I said, the guy told me 1250. I told the other guy 13.
Yeah.
And he said he still had 22 to work. Oh shit! I said we missed out on $8,000. But I know where to find these cars.
Yeah.
And people get the clue that I'm not a total bullshitter.
That's
And
awesome.
then they put me through the test. I get tested periodically by different.
It's annoying. Huh. Yeah, that's an inconvenience. Maybe I'll get it on YouTube.
There. Used to come off. Give me that. Where did it go to?
That water neck. You gotta put it on that with the thermostat.
That.
It's right there in front.
Ka-chow.
Oh, I'm gonna have to use a ratchet. Well, these are like good aluminum gaskets with silicone in them. The ones that are on there are just like paper ones.
Scraper?
I don't know if I have a scraper here. I got a screwdriver though. Oh, shit. Not coming off good. Sucks.
Twisted too hard.
No.
That's the one that I
Squiggly
almost-
wigglies.
almost broke it.
It's terrible.
There we go.
Not a lot of access.
Yeah, this rent fire.
Friggin' LS accessories are ugly.
You know,
They are terrible to look at.
they just look really big for their size.
Yeah. That's a great way to explain it. They look trucky.
It's a lot of
It's a really trucky looking motor.
it's a lot of girth.
It's girthy on the front for sure.
Let me see.
Okay, well.
There you go.
Hell yeah.
Doctor. Oh, it's so shiny.
This is the finest China has to offer.
Yeah. I do believe when properly lubricated, they all go they all go the same distance.
Yeah. I don't know. It said Most Plus on it. I don't think that's an American brand. I've seen that a lot on eBay.
Most Plus.
Yeah. OEM quality, I
so
think, is
fine.
in the name.
Surprise.
Yeah. Yeah, Surprise.
Surprise. Inside. What?
No. I am not going to do the fan challenge.
I did it with the Dodge.
Good for you.
I will never do it again.
No, that's terrifying.
When I took it to
I had-
Southern
I did it.
I went through too much scary stuff
today,
today.
my nerves are shot.
Yeah, my
my
nerves are
finger in
shot,
the closet.
Barbara. I can't deal with this anymore.
I was scared.
When I took that Dodge to Southern Oregon Diesel and had them figure out what was going on, why it wouldn't cool,
Yeah.
The guy asked me, he's like, "How'd you get the fan on there?" I had to push.
Grab that
up,
blade
down, French.
before it gets forgotten.
Yep.
Sucks in and sent to the back.
Typhoon.
Whoosh! Had to push one of the heisters outside just before I left. TJ,
Out of fuel or broken?
Yeah.
Okay.
TJ was on his way out
have
to
to work on it.
go get propane, and he gets right next to the sweeper, and it. And he's and I'm like, "You out of propane?" He's like, "Yeah, I'm gonna go get somebody to push me." I'm like, "I'll fucking push you."
Yep. Right there. My side's in.
Yeah, my side's in too.
Alright, I'm ready to go. Nope. Yep. Right?
Nope.
Nope. Come back.
Yep.
There it is.
Aye.
I wonder if I could just get a 5.3 upper hose.
Yeah. This one will work with your Chevy pickup radiator. We can make it work. If we had to cut it here and shorten it or do whatever we got to do, yeah. Just get a 5.3 upper and lower hose and we'll make them work. Okay.
Don't snap.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
Snap.
I think I have them.
Oh, good.
I think they came with it.
That's totally fine with me.
There we go.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
This was surprisingly easy.
Did you change the oil already?
No. I was kind of hoping you would do that, to be completely honest. Because like,
We got one of them fancy
got it.
wheelie carts.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I got the portable hammock.
And there's a drain pan down there, but we need to pour whatever's in it out of it. Oh,
This one's broken. You gotta be careful when you
that's good. Oh, great. It's got a Jagger or what?
No, it's just the board broke.
Oh,
So when he puts the knee on it, it goes to the floor.
nice. Did you take a flashlight?
I'm gonna pull the wiener out of the hole.
That's super mega ultra gay.
Huh?
Oh, I don't care.
We got jacks too.
Released. Pull that coolant back in there.
Yeah. We're gonna have to start it up for that, so
It's not only good water.
we'll have to do it before Adam drains the oil.
Okay, I can wait.
Alright.
Saying, do you want me to bring that jug back over here, or what are we doing?
Yeah, well, no, I have new coolant, so
Oh.
we just need to get the.
That perfect pour.
Oh yeah. Look at that, Mobile One, only the best for the mom mobile.
As he says, perfect pour and can't even hit the funnel. That would just be terrible.
I'm not unfamiliar with my foot being in my mouth.
Me neither. It tastes terrible.
I know what a 10.5 feels like. I know the flavor of my own souls.
Yep. So my boss called this guy that I work with today a poultry pop.
Poultry pop?
Mhm.
I don't get it.
Break it down.
Suck it on a ticket?
Nah, don't think about the chicken. What's another
Rooster
name for
pop.
rooster?
Cock pop. Coxicle?
Cocksucker.
Cocksucker? Okay, I'm like, hold on. I'm
Cocksucker.
Cocksuckle?
He calls him a poultry pop. You can't get in trouble for calling him that.
That's funny.
It's not a direct.
That's a back,
fire, right?
backdoor motherfucking way of
Yeah, dude.
poultry pop.
And he said it, and I'm like, that's kind of lame, dude. And then it sat there
And
for
you're
a little
all,
bit, and he's
"Hold on
like
a
just kind of looking at me, like
And
he's expecting
watching
me to
your
catch
gears.
up. Yeah.
He's watching your gears.
And I'm
Oh,
like,
I just
God
dumped
damn,
that thing
dude.
there.
Yeah, you
Is
gotta do
that-
this one too.
I'm like, is that correct?
It takes 6.
I'm like, oh shit. You're all. I was waiting for you to stop at 4.5.
It only takes
that'd been a
2.5
good-
quarts to fill this bitch up, right?
Yeah, I was waiting for you.
Those McFarland guys were putting like an extra 2 quarts in their motor. They were putting like 7 quarts in a
Well, it brings
7.5
brings
in
up
the
the oil.
stock one, so
Brings
they
up
would
the
run
oil.
out of oil when they're
It
making
brings up
those
the oil
8-second
pressure.
passes.
Yeah, it brings up the oil pressure.
I would try to feed him some sort of rotten berry.
Do it.
Did you see her? No, did you see her loving on it and I wasn't even watching or what? How did you get that to go away?
I don't know. I was giving her some of that.
You just kept fucking with it?
I packed a bunch of grease in there, so
Well,
must have got into it.
Gotcha.
Where did that other
I found it.
Ow, the shoulder. My feet got wet today.
Damn it, Cletus. Uh-oh.
Idiot.
They're pouring cat piss into the radiator. Got a picture of a cat on it and it's yellow.